Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. In today's video, we will dive into the topic of ChatGPT for researchers. As the field of AI continues to evolve, ChatGPT has become an invaluable tool for researchers around the world. Join us as we explore its capabilities and how it enhances the research process. Before we begin, let's briefly understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like text responses based on prompts given to it. This powerful AI model has been widely used for a variety of applications, including natural language processing, content generation, and now, even research. So, how can researchers benefit from ChatGPT? Let's explore 5 key advantages. Keyword number 1, enhanced collaboration. ChatGPT facilitates enhanced collaboration among researchers. By interacting with the model, researchers can brainstorm ideas, ask questions, and receive insightful responses. It acts as a virtual collaborator, providing valuable input and expanding the possibilities of research. Keyword number 2, knowledge exploration. ChatGPT can assist researchers in exploring vast amounts of knowledge. By inputting queries or topics of interest, researchers can obtain relevant information, summaries of papers, and even suggestions for further reading. It saves time and helps researchers stay up to date with the latest advancements in their field. Keyword number 3, experiment design. Designing experiments is a crucial part of the research process. With ChatGPT, researchers can receive suggestions and feedback on their experimental designs. By incorporating the model's insights, researchers can refine their methodologies and increase the chances of obtaining meaningful results. Keyword number 4, literature review. Literature reviews are a fundamental aspect of any research project. ChatGPT can assist researchers in conducting comprehensive literature reviews. It can provide summaries of relevant papers, highlight key findings, and even suggest additional sources that may have been overlooked. Keyword number 5, data analysis. Analyzing and interpreting data can be a complex task. ChatGPT can aid researchers in this process by providing data analysis techniques, suggesting statistical models, and helping in the interpretation of results. Its ability to understand complex questions and provide detailed explanations makes it an invaluable tool for researchers. In conclusion, ChatGPT has revolutionized the research landscape. It empowers researchers by providing them with an AI-powered assistant that can facilitate collaboration, knowledge exploration, experiment design, literature reviews, and data analysis. With ChatGPT, researchers can augment their capabilities, accelerate their work, and achieve groundbreaking discoveries. That's it for today's video on ChatGPT for researchers. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.